So hello, this is my tracksuit and it's nerd. It's big here and I guess it is not stylish. So let's take this tracksuit as reference because it's style. So now we have two tracksuit, one here, one here. We're cutting the nerd tracksuit into stylish tracksuit. Okay, as usual, we take from the inside part of the tracksuit to sew it up. So here the tracksuit to stylish. So take this up. Okay, take this up. Try to align this tracksuit properly. So that we can get this measurement. Okay. Take this chalk, draw it up. Then we can move this tracksuit over here because we already get the line. Okay. This line. Okay, never touch this one. This one is made from the real tailor. Okay. So from below to up edges. Okay. Do the same step on the both sides of the trouser. So take this machine up. Use the simple knitting, most simple knitting available in the machine. Okay. Let's start. Hey, wait up. We cannot start here. We must start from above part of the trousers. Okay, here. Okay. Put it up. Ready ourselves to be a girl. And let's start. Little bit more. This is the last part. Make sure it is perfect. And here what we got. Okay. So we're already done the knitting. Repeat the same step on the left side of the trousers. So I am happy right now. It looks style and not nerd anymore because not big. And so that's all for the video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you feel that this video is beneficial for every viewers, just hit the like button below. And if you feel that this video have any lag, or you want to comment or give advice or give condemn in this video, just comment up in the comment section below. I will try to follow up with your comment and try to refix myself in the future. My name is Muhammad Nur Rafiq bin Razan, right now in Kuala Lumpur, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.